I don't plan on being successful right now. And honestly, I don't even know if I plan on being successful down the road. The whole goal right now is just to learn, create, have fun, and to grow. Yo everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So tonight we're going to do things a little bit different. I'm going to be starting a series. It's going to be what I'm going to call an upside down series. So what this series is going to be, I'm actually going to track and document my process as growing on YouTube and on Twitch. The plan is, instead of waiting until I have a certain following or have a big following or 1,000 subscribers or whatever, I'm going to go ahead and document the process of me growing, the things that I'm doing to try to grow, the content that I'm creating, even kind of just go over like how much fun I'm having right now in this beginning phase of content creation, whether it be at-home workout video series that I'm doing, whether it be just making random entertaining videos from stream clips to IRL things going on, all the way to this series right here, which this is going to be the first video. So the first question you may ask, or you may go, is like, well, Jake, why should we listen to you? You don't even have any subscribers, which you're right. I don't. And you know what? Really, you shouldn't listen to me. Right now, you should not listen to me on how to grow. Why? Because I just started. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm doing every single thing on my channel, everything that I'm creating from scratch, from my logo design to an intro to my video editing, my lighting, my camera. Everything that I'm doing, I have zero experience with. So I'm just starting off. But I want to document this because I want to see my journey and the progression of the videos that I make, the type of content that I make, figure out what works and what doesn't. And I think it would be cool to actually document it in video format so that I can go back and see this. Also, if it turns out to be successful, as far as I do grow my channel or I do grow my Twitch or both, then I'm going to be able to come back and I'm going to be able to look at this series, and this is going to be my journey to my growth, which I think will be really cool. So it's essentially one of those, like, I don't plan on being successful right now. And honestly, I don't even know if I plan on being successful down the road. The whole goal right now is just to learn, create, have fun, and to grow. And beyond that, whatever happens, happens. So if you are either a new streamer or content creator as well, and you want to follow along with my journey and you want to hang out and grow and be a part of my community, come on, hang out. Or if you even want to give me advice, if you watch my videos and you see kind of the content that I'm creating and how I don't even have a niche right now, and you've got advice for me, or maybe you see how I'm doing how I'm editing a video or how I'm doing something, and you're like, hey, this could be a good idea. I'm down for that. Give me some advice. I would love to hear it. And also, if down the road I do end up with a good following or I do end up with a successful channel, this will be cool to look back on and go, okay, this guy actually did make it. Let's figure out what happened as he was growing, and a true look at it, and not just me once I have 20, 30, 40,000 subscribers, if that ever happens. Because I feel like a lot of the how-tos that I've watched and the YouTube videos of getting to 1,000 subscribers, getting your first 100 viewers, being able to talk on stream without anyone watching. The thing about those videos is, and this is something I think a lot of people say, is one, the advice is very generic, and two, they tell you to be yourself, and they tell you you've got to be unique and you've got to be different. And here's the thing. If you're doing the same things that they're saying to do or the things that they did, that's not different. So the first is the plan is I'm going to be doing it this way and doing it as I go, because I don't think I'm not going to make it and then make these videos. I'm going to make these videos as I go. All right, and so that is the plan. And then the second thing is that they tell you once they've already made it. And they do talk about, hey guys, no, I remember when I was this big. I remember when I only had 100 subscribers on my channel. I've been doing this for 4 years and then I blew up. Or I've been doing it wrong for all these years and now I'm doing it right. The thing is, I don't know that. I can go back and watch their videos, but now their videos already have thousands and thousands of views from people going back. So I really don't know how they started. So that is the plan. So this series, I'm going to go over everything from kind of the brainstorming of possible videos, how I'm just going to make videos to practice, how I'm going to have fun with it. I'm going to talk about balancing because I have a full-time job that I work 40 to 50 hours a week, and then balancing my own personal life with trying to create content, also with streaming a couple days a week, with a full-time job, and with the fact that I have a very avid workout schedule myself as far as my fitness and my health, and how all of that ties in. To be honest, I think a big area that I hope to end up being able to share some knowledge in is just going to be the health realm, but especially when it comes to the streaming world and to the content creation world, because I feel like a lot of people in this niche or in this creation, the content creation type of profession or hobby or whatever you want to call it, it's hard to balance life because you're I mean, most people look at it as like you're an entrepreneur, which I'm not. I'm just making content because it's fun. But if you are doing this for that reason, then you don't have really a set schedule. It's how much you want to grind. And I feel like you can overdo that. So I do think I have some knowledge on some ways to balance your lifestyle and how to stay active, fit, and healthy while you're also pursuing this hobby of content creation or even streaming. So that is the plan. My goal also was to do this in one cut. I didn't want to have to edit. I didn't want to have to stop and pick out clips. I wanted just to make this one big, quick video as far as what this series is going to be about. So if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button. I'll be uploading every 2 weeks with updates on content that I'm creating, ideas that I'm having, things that I'm doing. Welcome to any and all criticism, as I am just now starting out. But that is going to be what this series is going to be about. Expect a video every 2 weeks with an update as I grow. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Again, if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll check you guys on the flip side.